Let's take a look at how to select your crews for a job. Once you've selected the service type, price and booking frequency, you will be able to select the right crew for the job. All the crews from the checkbox next to it are the available crews. If the checkbox is a red color, this means that the crew is available for the selected frequency. If the checkbox is a green color, this means that this crew is only available for this booking and may not be available for the recurring frequency. So if it was a weekly booking, these crews are available every week at the same time, but these ones are not available all weeks in the future. Next you will see the red heart. This means that this is the preferred crew by the customer, or this crew has visited this customer in the last booking. The grey hearts are the crews that have visited the customer prior to the last booking. If you would like to make any crew a preferred crew, then simply click on the heart icon. Clicking it again will remove the preference, and by default the last visited crew gets the red heart. Over here you can see how far the crew is from the job. We calculate it by the distance from the previous or next job of that crew. If the crew has 2 jobs, then we take the distance from the job that is closer to the current job's time. If the distance appears in red, it means this crew does not serve this area. Next you will see which zone the crew is assigned to. The zone name will appear in red if this crew falls in different zones for upcoming frequencies. This icon represents if the crew is auto-assigned or not, and this indicates if the crew has a vehicle or not. If multiple crews are selected for a job, you'll be able to decide which one gets transportation commission by keeping it active. Finally, the name will appear in red if this crew doesn't cater to the selected service. By default, we will show you all the available preferred and previously visited crews at the top, followed by other available crews by closest distance first. This way, you'll always find the best option at the top.